Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today, you can see the old school Air Jordan logo on the top. You got the old school box. So what we have today is the Air Jordan 11 Retro in platinum tint and university red. Now these retail for $220 and they release on, what is it, October 27th, I think. I might be wrong, I don't know. But anyway, here it is, the Air Jordan 11 platinum tint. Now keeping it real, when I first saw these surface on the internet and I saw the pictures, I was like, nah, can't do it, won't do it. You know what I'm saying? But getting them in hand, it's a nice shoe, man. You know what I mean? It's not for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think I'm going to be rocking these. You know what I mean? But it's a way better shoe than what it is, what we saw in the pictures. You know what I'm saying? Now, when you get them in hand, man, you're going to notice that the patent leather is gone. They done swapped that out for a suede-like, nubuck-like finish on that mud guard. You see you got the milky sole under the bottom, red Jumpman. It's dope. You can see your mesh running all along. Everything typical of the Air Jordan, man. You know, you see your 23 on the back in red. Medial side. You see the mesh. I think it's dope, man. You know, but it's not for me. Like I said, there's a look at that toe box and you see that suede-like, whatever it is, suede, nubuck, I don't know. There's a look at that red Jumpman. You got the red piping running around the side. I think it's dope, man. You know, I'm feeling it. But like I say, man, I don't think I'm gonna keep a pair for myself. You know what I mean? Because it's not really, look like they'll get dirty easy for me. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. You know what I mean? And if you're in the market for these, man, get your coins ready. You know what I'm saying? Because these things gonna be dropping in the next, what, 2 weeks? You know what I'm saying? So I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't feeling it enough to cop it for myself. You know what I'm saying? I might get a pair for my daughter if they come in grade school sizes. I'm not sure yet. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. You know, so let me know what y'all think, man. You feeling them? You not? You know what I'm saying? Let me know what's happening. There's a look at them from the front. There's a look at them from the back. I mean, it is what it is, man. Now these do come with the black insole, with the gold Jumpman. You got the red shoe trees with the Jumpman on the front, typical Jordan 11. You know what I'm saying? And that's it, man. You know, so that was my look at the Air Jordan 11 Retro Platinum Tint. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504, and I'ma holler back.